Y'all, when I tell y'all this wig has made it to the #1 spot in my book for best wig of the year, West Kiss has done it again. Can y'all believe that this unit's actually straight hair? Look how thick this is. So we are here with West Kiss hair. I do have their 13x6 straight haired unit. It's a lace frontal wig. She is 180% in density, and the inches on her is about 22 inches. I did get her in a cap size of medium, and my head circumference is a 21.5. Again, look how thick this hair is to be straight hair. Like, I'm just like, what? Anyway, this is the overall construction. Comes with 3 combs in total and a pair of drawstrings at the nape. So I am starting off with my ORS olive oil. I'm just going to call it foam wrap lotion. And I'm going to take this product and we're going to put it all over the perimeter of the unit to push back any runaway hair strands. We're just going to push it back into the units because we are prepping to bleach the knots. And I'm using my blow dryer just to reinforce it. Now we're going to take the unit and turn it inside out. That way the lace portion of the wig is showing. And I am going to go ahead and secure it down using my T-pins. Now I'm just going to go ahead with my bleach mixture. I will leave the products I use to create the mixture in the description section below. I like to make my consistency of the bleach a little bit thicker than toothpaste consistency. I say this because if you make it too runny, it can seep on the hair strands. But I also like to press sometimes into the lace too hard and it just bleeds right onto the hair strands. So I noticed that if I make my bleach a little bit thicker, then it won't really seep onto the hair strands, but it'll more so just stay on the knots. Now, as you guys can see, it is processing. I'm going to line the inside of the wig with my foil half sheets. And this, to me, just helps it process a little bit quicker. I do let it process for about 10 minutes, but I do check in on it every 2 minutes. This is what my lace looks like. I love the over bleach look. That's what I go for. But I am just going to tone down the orange and brassy tones by using my purple shampoo by Shimmer Lights. So as you guys can see here in this clip, the knots are toned down, okay? It's not orange. It's not looking like who, what, and why. I'm using my bedhead wax stick to go ahead and slick down that unit, prepping for the hot comb. I love to do this work or this preparation before I lay it down. I feel like it just, it's just easier to me in my personal opinion. So we're just going to go in with the hot comb. As you guys can see, I did go ahead and customize the unit by plucking into it, okay? I also went ahead and dyed the hair off camera, and I will have the dye that I use in the description section below as well. So we're going to go ahead and cut off the lace, y'all. I'm just amazed, okay? I'm obsessed with the laces that West Kiss use because I feel like it's just amazing, okay? I love how thin it is, and I also love how the knots are super thin, okay? It's just giving scalp, okay? It's just giving scalp. To secure my wig down, I'm using my Wig Dealer melting spray. I tend to grab for this product in the spring and summer months. Y'all, I love this stuff, okay? This keeps me right in the heat. And that's all I'm gonna say, y'all. This product is so good. But anyway, I'm gonna use my blow dryer in a cool heating setting to secure down my wig. As you guys can see, I do have my attachment on today, and I feel like it just helps the air from the blow dryer concentrate on one area at a time, opposed to me not using the attachment and the air is all over the place. One thing I love that's that this product dries super quick as well. But y'all, let me just stop talking about the product and just look at the hair. Look at this freaking hairline, y'all. Look at the freaking hairline. And if we could just take a moment to remember the beginning of the video, y'all. I did not have any baby hairs. So y'all know that this lace must have been hecka good for me to not even put any baby hairs on there, okay? Don't let this lighting fool you either. I'm just gonna put that out there. So we are gonna go ahead with my Cocoa Naughty bronzer by Fenty Beauty, and we're just gonna place this on the outside of the lace. I didn't put any tinting spray or anything on it because, like I said, it wasn't needed. This wig just melted into the makeup that I already had on my forehead, so I wasn't gonna pile it up. But I am gonna put my elastic band on and let it melt while I do more, you know, customizations to my lace. So now I'm just going in to straighten up that middle part, y'all. Today, I'm going for a bust down middle part. Okay, and y'all know I love my parts to be super flat, super sleek, and I love that part to pop. So we're going to put some concealer in there as well, because you don't want your part like Moses, like, you know, split in the Red Sea, but you want it split in the Red Sea, if that makes sense. Boom. Y'all, look at how pretty this unit is. Thick. I think I let this hair air dry too. I didn't blow dry it straight. I let it air dry, and look at what it's giving. But anyway, y'all already know we can't keep it straight. No. This day I did want some curls. So I was like, today would be a great day to try it, to see if this unit will hold some bomb curls. Okay, so that's what I did. I'm taking my T3 curling iron, and we're going to put some curls in there. Okay, I was going for a more looser type of curl. So, you know, I loosely curled it and also put my, I pinned it up after the curl set. I mean, after I curled it, just so the heat could set in it. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and curl it up. So while I'm curling the hair, y'all, I'm just gonna give y'all the rundown, okay? As I am doing this voiceover, I had this unit in for a week. I still haven't taken it out yet. Yeah, it is straightened now because I did go in the next day or the day after that to straighten it out because I needed to go somewhere. So like I said, I did dye the hair. So prior to me dyeing the hair, I did wash and condition it. I did get a little bit of tangling washing it for the first time as well. But after that, sis, tangling was not existent. I really don't experience tangling with straight hair unit anyway, but yeah. As far as shedding, you're gonna get shedding the normal amount of shedding that you just would get, okay? Shedding is inevitable. You're gonna get shedding with any virgin hair unit that you buy, okay? So that's always gonna be there. That's why I say it in every video, because of course, all units shed. But anyway, y'all, this wig was super cute. Super bomb, and I'm glad that this unit can hold a curl. Like I said, I was doing loose curls this day, so I was playing with it and combing it out. That's it, y'all. I've been running my mouth this entire video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. All information in regards to this hair will be listed down in the description section below. And until my next video, your girl, see you later. Bye, guys.
So that's impressive, how much you're missing.